This week in unnecessary purchases, I found this old antique stencil maker, the ideal #1 stencil maker. I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and basically you can make stencils in cardstock. So if you want to type words out on this, then you can spray paint over it to make signs. It pretty much works. I tested that all the individual letters and numbers work, and they in fact do. But there are some definite issues. Being that this thing is so old, it's really, there are some stuck parts, like the carriage here. This is the part that's supposed to move the cardstock forward with each letter, kind of like a carriage on a typewriter. This was seized, so some PB blaster, I got that freed up. And upon further inspection, it seems that this is somewhat bent, so it rides difficult at that point, so that'll have to be straightened out. Also, this cast iron piece here around this bolt is missing, so that might be something to get brazed and fixed. But these two bolts are still stuck, these screws here, so I'm gonna have to let it sit for a while with the PB blaster and take my time. But it's a pretty neat device. Look at how you choose the lettering. Very steampunk, very cool. This thing weighs probably about 130, 140 pounds. Super well built. But yeah, the ideal #1 stencil maker. So hopefully I'll get this thing apart and refurbished.